Nakitlong kari kasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit parpasngam. Ka beats aqua. Si postnem dang yai pinja sliang.
UMLA ka European West Shillong Badairu Advisor ka Social Welfare Department Ubapo Lingdo ulakamba ka Sorkar MDA2 kelapan bha bat kentiu kerdan yu kerukam sinchar khadar hakajalla hakni ki prasnem balaleng kani ka jingong ubapo al kalong halor ka jingkali ka jingda prasnem kani ka Sorkar MDA ka belam ke NPP ulong ma ka jingpan kan rea ki nong de madan na ka than kendai lat bar ka jingmot ban pan pau ka Shillong bat ki bayday bat ka pot katem kani ka jingjob jang ka Sorkar haka jogo porol ongba ki don ki mat ki badang haban yakun hado gini gisngi ki bladon na do ki we ki Sorkar menshwa berka jingmod jing perkhat jang ki pai ba ya ka bamsap kede ka we ki badon gam ban penshai kadar wat la kande ka kam ka bajuan bha.
If you realize there was one start question which I had raised but which did not come up because of paucity of time relating to the beautification of Kandai land, and I'm happy to say that in course of that question being tabled, the MGMP project started on the ground again at Kandailat. I would follow this up because that is one area where you actually welcome visitors to the state capital, and with the name that we have made for ourselves as the music capital of India, we should be able to establish that fact clearly and demonstrate it on the ground. And what better place than the entry point to the state capital? Well, it's for me, since I was not there as part of MDA 1, I wouldn't really be able to comment on what happened in MDA 1. But MDA 2, of which I'm part of, we certainly took a few decisive measures to ensure that we improve the standard of governance in the state. The initiatives are multiple, but for example, the fact that we could clear the entire stretch of Kandailat to make it pedestrian friendly is something that I would consider a major achievement. Also, if you look at the fact that today the entire world knows and is familiar with the name of Shillong and its association with music, then the achievements which are tangible, the GI tag for the Rindia, the completion of the Williamson Sangha State Museum, the fact that the government of India has recommended for our living bridges, Tinkeng-Jiri, to be recognized by UNESCO. I think these are achievements which will be indelible marks of what MDA 2 will do. Of course, there are shortcomings. There are legacy issues which continue to be carried as a burden from one government to the next. But on the whole, I would say that we were able to make a breakthrough in certain of the initiatives which I have just mentioned. I think this perception of corruption needs to be clear. It is a Herculean task given the fact that during MDA 1 there was this perception that a part of the government or government machineries were involved in such activities. But as I said, I was not part of that combination, the first part of MDA, and I think only insiders would know what actually happened.